And today, special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this LED light bug zapper. Solar, electric, no harmful chemicals or gases, carefree. You can see the sticker here, a little bit of how to operate it. You got a manual mode, an intelligent light sensing mode, the charging mode, connect to USB-C when charging, the charge light indicator will turn red, solar charging mode, open the 3 solar panels, then put the mosquito light under the daylight. Charging 8 to 11 hours a day, can be used a whole night. Solar panels can be exposed to a long-time recharge automatically. No need for human supervision. Love it. So there's a little bit of the specs here. As you can see, some of the lumens and brightness. We got 800 lumens at its highest brightness. The purple light's 200 lumens. With both, it'll last for 5 hours. The purple light mosquito control endurance is 11 hours. High brightness illumination endurance is 7 hours. Solar charging time is 10 hours. And it has a 3600 milliamp hour battery. Just a little bit of the specs. Let's show it to you, and then I'll take it outside, get it charged up, show it to you then. So if we slide it out here. Oh, there we go. Oh. Nothing else in the box. Couple of little guides. Got a little brush to clean it with. Included USB-A to USB-C cable to charge it. And then this is the actual bug zapper. So let's peel these. Got a few stickers to peel off here. There we go. As you can see, you have your on off and your auto button. You do have a nice little way to hang it here. Fan out these. There is how you get your solar panels. Yeah, look at that. So you could literally hang this and let these solar panels try to get sun all day and then use your light all night. And in case you're wondering, here's your little light and your USB-C for charging wired. So